Namaste children. Today we are going to see another grammar topic named Pratyayaha. Pratyayaha means suffix. Now let us see the classification of these Pratyayaha. Pratyayaha is classified into two. The first one is Tadhitaha Pratyayaha and Stri Pratyayaha. For our exam, from both these classifications, we have only 6 pratyayas, out of which today we shall see the 4 pratyayas which comes under Tadhita Pratyayaha. Now we shall see the classifications of Tadhitaha Pratyayaha. The first one, Matup Pratyaya. Next one, Thak Pratyaya. Third one, Tva Pratyaya. And fourth one, Tal Pratyaya. Now we shall see the classifications of Stri Pratyaya. The first one, Tap Pratyaya, and the second one is Neep Pratyaya. Moving forward, the first one under the Tadhitaha Pratyaya is Matup. Vat or Vatup is used at the end of Akaranta, Akaranta words. Mat or Matup is used at the end of all other words. So these are the two rules for Matup Pratyaya. I repeat the rules. Vat or Vatup is used at the end of Akaranta or Akaranta words. Next one, Mat or Matup is used at the end of all the other words, which means all the other words except a and a. The resulting answer, the ending will be like this. In Pullingam Ekavachanam it will be Man. In Pullingam Dvivachanam it will be Mantau. In Pullingam Bahuvachanam it will be Mantaha. In Strilinga Ekavachanam it will be Mati. In Strilingam Dvivachanam it will be Matyau. In Strilingam Bahuvachanam it will be Matyaha. In Napumsakalingam Ekavachanam it will be Mat. In Napumsakalingam Dvivachanam it will be Mati. In Napumsakalingam Bahuvachanam it will be Manti. This is with respect to Mat and Matup. Now the answer for Vat and Vatup will be in Pullingam Ekavachanam Van, Dvivachanam Vantau and Bahuvachanam Vantaha. In Strilingam Ekavachanam is Vati, Dvivachanam is Vatyau and Bahuvachanam is Vatyaha. In Napumsakalingam Ekavachanam is Vat, Dvivachanam is Vati and Bahuvachanam is Vanti. Now we shall see the examples of Matup Pratyaya. Matup Pratyaya Udaharanani. Guna plus Matup is Gunavan in Pullinga, Gunavati in Strilinga and Gunavat in Napumsakalinga. Likewise, Dhana plus Matup, Dhanavan in Pullinga, Dhanavati in Strilinga, Dhanavat in Napumsakalinga. Shakti plus Matup, Shaktiman in Pullinga, Shaktimati in Strilinga and Shaktimat in Napumsakalinga. Dhi plus Matup, Dhiman in Pullingam, Dhimati in Strilingam, Dhimat in Napumsakalingam. Now we shall go forward to the next type of Pratyaya. That is Thak Pratyaya. Following are the rules. When Thak Pratyaya is used, the base word gets elongated and ik is added at the end, which means when the base word starts with a, it becomes a. If it is e or a, it becomes I. If it is u or o, it becomes au. And if it is r, it becomes r. Next rule, after applying Thak Pratyaya, the word becomes an adjective and so it gets the gender of the noun it describes. Now we shall see how the Thak Pratyaya is used. We shall see the examples of Thak Pratyaya. Dharma plus Thak Dharmikaha in Pullingam, Dharmiki in Strilingam, Dharmikam in Napumsakalingam. Itihasa plus thak, you have Aitihasikaha in Pullingam, Aitihasiki in Strilingam, Aitihasikam in Napumsakalingam. Samskriti plus thak, you have Samskritikaha in Pullingam, Samskritiki in Strilingam, Samskritikam in Napumsakalingam. Ushas plus thak, you have Aushasikaha in Pullingam, Aushasiki in Strilingam and Aushasikam in Napumsakalingam. Now we shall see the next type of pratyaya. The third pratyaya is tal pratyayaha. We shall now see its rules. We shall see the rules for tal pratyaya. When tal pratyayaha is used, ta is to be added at the end, and when a word is got with tal pratyayaha, then that word becomes a feminine gender similar to Rama Shabdaha. We shall see the examples of tal pratyaya. That is tal pratyaya udaharanani. Laghu plus tal is equal to laghuta. Ushna plus tal is ushnata. Murkha plus tal is murkhata. Sama plus tal is samata. Moving forward to the last type of tadhita pratyaya in your syllabus, that is tva pratyayaha. The rules of tva pratyaya are: when tva pratyayaha is used, tvam is to be added at the end, and when a word is got with tva pratyayaha, then that word becomes a neuter gender similar to phala shabdaha. Now we shall see the examples of tva pratyaya. Tva pratyaya udaharanani. Ucha plus tva, uchatvam. Krishna plus tva, krishnatvam. Vidvas plus tva, vidvatvam. Sama plus tva, samatvam. Hope all the four tadhita pratyaya are clear for you. With this, we come to the end of this session. Thank you.